Another weekend of football action we had. Mamelodi Sundowns did the unthinkable by being back-to-back finalists, and we're going to be talking about it, how exactly they got it right, and what made them be on top, as they are contending for the next star. The second star is loading for Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates were in action and they are back on top of the log. Can they sustain that? Does it mean they'll be going forward? Kaiser Chiefs was in action and drew. Is that disappointing results for Kaiser Chiefs fans? I don't know. Let's talk about it. This episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. That is WSB, hashtag bet with the best, hashtag WSB. And on my left, I've got Junior Kanya. On the right, I've got Michael Nkambule, the dynamic duo from Davidson. Gents, how are you doing?
Nhlekisa kunjani sister?
Ngikrend wena?
Angikrend.
Michael?
Hlanyeleno.
Ukrend.
Ngishapha wena.
Ngikrend. Junior, uthe sibhale phansi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns is going to win the Champions League. They are in the final.
Yeah.
They are going to be in the final. They are in the final back to back. Last season, they were in the finals.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they lost the final. They were playing with Pyramids FC when they lost, and they played at home. Then they went away and they lost. However, back 10 years ago, Mamelodi Sundowns played against Zamalek. They played Zamalek at home and they scored 3-0 in that game. They went to Zamalek and scored 1. And that's how they were announced the champions. That's how they got the star. And this journey that we are observing right now, where they possibly will be taking the second star. Let's talk a bit about the journey then and the journey now. What do you think attributed to them then that is also might make them become the champions again?
Yeah, I think Nhlekisa mfethu sibulise audience yethu mfethu people who are supporting us like uJunior Kanye TV. Sicela nisikhulise bafethu yabona. And umuntu ngabantu yabona. And siyabonga kakhulu mfethu because into esenza kube ne momentum yabona, keep going, coming here and wanting to do their best. And thanks to you as well. Always giving your best. Well done, Nhlekisa. Well done to Michael, Zizo, Nkambule. Thanks. So Nhlekisa, what I love about Sundowns, man, kune continuity, yabona. And players they don't sign. Sundowns they don't sign players. They sign players according to style of play, the identity, yabo, the culture of the team. I mean, Pizzo when he was there was this thing SABD, which is
The Castro, Billiard, and Dolly era. Yes.
yeah, and there was leadership as well. There was Grant Kekana there. Slompo, I mean to say, Slompo Kekana. Begna Butiani.
Yeah, Tieni Mabunda was also part of that team. Yeah.
There was Mshishi there.
Yes, Mshishi is the only player that was there then, that is there now,
Yeah.
that potentially will be playing the final.
Yeah, and also there was Pitso Msimane as a coach. And truly speaking, Inhlanhla, Masiba Nevar, Mangi, they don't sign players without the identity and the philosophy of the style of play set up. I mean, it's a team. Manga check with Badlari Kanjani their tournament. Yonke, as coming high 2016, as you say. They play away, they play home. Sundowns they play for a win. Agna game by for draw.
Sure.
Or bafuna mathematical segment ekuhlale phansi calculate. Sundowns they go for the kill. Though there's a style of play. Yeah, but when they play, they want to build up at the back. They want a goalkeeper that is a player. Yeah, but who can pass technically very good. Yes, obvious good handling, proper handling, proper goalkeeper, but who can be a player. But Lalangama center back, they defend with midfielders. Umbrena they bought him at Celtics, he was a wing. And then he was brought because sometimes Bamsali says a right wing back. And then Maunga check Laki. Laki, he was a winger at I think he was playing for I can't remember. I will Nzobuya. Laki, when they brought him, he was a wing, and then they play him as a wing back. I think the idea with is back, they wanted to build up. You need to be comfortable. They play like similar like Brazil play and Spanish. They defend with midfielders. Move and Sundowns compliment for that. And well done. And Bebano Krent Ulo Shompokekana in the midfield, Butiana, Butemba Zwane, as Sisho. Begna Bubongane Zoom. If I can be honest, very comfortable. The style of play set up complementing, like we set trainer and we punish you. And learn to lay as Kumanga 10 years ago. They won the league. They won the
The
league.
Champions League.
They won the Champions League. As Champions League, yes. And nothing has changed in terms of the philosophy, the style of play. If I can be honest with you, ngikhuluma ngale nto mangithi continuity.
All right.
There's nothing that has changed. Honestly, Mikel Cardoso uqhubeka ngayo lo.
Okay. Michael Cardoso is the coach, right? That is going through to the Champions League final for the third time. He did so with Esperance de Tunis. He did so, now he's doing it back to back with Mamelodi Sundowns. What do you think as a coach is his secret? And did he study Esperance de Tunis for them to be able to go into the final?
Nhlanhla into engingayisho Nhlanhla masingabheka uCardoso ne I think makuhamba uRhulani everybody was complaining yabo
Yeah.
ukuthi Sundowns like in terms of his style sokudlala, but I think manje kushuthi ubayenze baba more aggressive Sundowns, like they are no more like i-team ukuthi efuna uku-enjoy i-position kakhulu, because if ungachecka even u-Allende before uCardoso he was a player uzo-rotate ibhola without ama-stats. But if you can check Allende manje is a different player. Player who can score goals, he can assist goals manje yabo. So I think na experience yakhe man imncede kakhulu Cardoso, because i-first round akacalanga kahle. But when you check
Not at all.
the second round for his season,
Yeah.
he's been doing great Nhlanhla.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been doing great.
But it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. And it looks like he will have the greatest finish of all time.
Yeah, Nhlanhla lapho vele injalo akuyi ngokuthi uqale kanjani, but angisho besimple imela Nhlanhla. Everybody besazi ukuthi Sundowns what kind of a team it's Mamelodi Sundowns. So that is why abantu bazofuna ukujudge compared to the previous le team le yashiya uRhulani.
Yeah.
But so far Nhlanhla uyithenile le team okay manje uyababona ukuthi bayingozi Nhlanhla, and for mina into engizoyisho bazoyiwina le Champions League Nhlanhla.
Oh, so bazoyiwina. For sure. Bazoyiwina.
bazoyiwina,
All right, cool. And then let's talk about the players. I mean, we had Aubrey Mudiba as well as Grant Kekana that were suspended going into this second leg final, where Ndamani came in as well as Ulungile came in. Do you think the decision that the coach took and playing those two players, did that make a difference?
Nhlanhla into esingayisho nge-Sundowns bane-quality labantu Nhlanhla. Whoever kuthi kudlala bani lapha we don't mind. Uphumile
Yeah.
ukhona uzobuya futhi azo-replace Nhlanhla, because isquad sabo man si-strong Nhlanhla. If uyachecka namanje like kuma-center back kunabo Cupido, kunabo Ndamane, kunabo Kekana, uyabona, like kunabo Malibonga Khoza, like you like bane-choice ukuchooser whoever bafuna ukumdlalisa lapho, dependa ngecoach ukuthi yona izobe ifuna bani kulelo game.
But the players that were there on the day, right? We'll talk about the win. We'll talk about what actually happened for them to actually be in the final. Michael, Tembazwani was there 10 years ago when they had the first star. He is the only player that is still with the team to this day and still actively playing. What do you make of his role in the team?
I think uThemba man kwamanje Nhlanhla as much as angadlali kakhulu, but I think behind lapha is a leader. I think unokubona nase like egroundini the way bamadmire ngakhona. I think that guy is a leader even on and off the field. I think yabanceda uMshishi, because na experience ayiphethe Nhlanhla is very vital, because pe uyiso sonke leso squad is only player osene Nhlanhla. Akusina noma ubani ongayenza lento leyo.
For
Khuluma
sure.
ngento yathini eza ku
Because Utapelo Morena was coming in. He had not played Azangazalale, but he was only coming in. So Umshishi is the only one that played and is still playing right now. So Tapelo Morena was coming in, but then Umshishi was there. Umshishi played, Umshishi still playing. So I mean that says a lot, you know, about Umshishi. And Junior, looking at that, what kind of a person does this tell us about Utembazan?
Yeah, I mean, I give respect for that guy yabo kule nto le ayiyo. Because asikhulume ngobuntu baloya mfana, the personality angimazi close kakhulu yamjida.
Sure.
Let me put it that way, sorry
Yeah,
to
yeah.
ithama labantu ubaba uThemba is a parent. That guy mfethu nginenhlonipho ngaye man, you never heard any stories about uThemba. I mean, that's why sometimes I think him keep this courtesy. And as you say now, the guy kuso sonke lesa squad is the only player or remaining there. And look what he has done in football. Le izinto azachievile individual. Yazini, Nhlanhla, I'll be honest, if Umshishi was playing for Chiefs or Pirates, the way he's achieving at Sundowns, ngabe uma-billboards everywhere you see him. This boy, this guy, Masiban Geneva, sorry to say this boy. This guy, bekumele ngabe celebrate more than what they were celebrating ngakhona now. But because he's playing for Sundowns, Sundowns ayithathe recognition the way njenge-Chiefs and Pirates. I will be honest to you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's for
Okay.
me. Uthemba if bekadlala ku-Pirates and Chiefs, honestly, ngiyakutshela Nhlanhla, serious. He was gonna be a face of South African football, like Uthemba. And
Junior, sorry to interrupt. I'm not sure if I agree with that statement.
yeah,
I think AMA fans are the ones that actually put a person up there.
yeah.
Because multi recognition, are we told? I think Abaitolayo, in both the teams that you're mentioning, Baitola, because the fans are the ones that actually put their names to be out there.
As
AMA billboards, I'm not so sure about
Ankhulumi
it.
billboards per se. I'm
Yeah.
talking about the recognition.
Yes.
Billboards, I'm saying not billboards. Billboards into groot now. But all I'm saying is the way he's been celebrated now. Uthemba ngabe kwenye level. If he was playing for Chiefs and Pirates, I can tell you the truth in Nhlanhla Thembe. Ngabe recognize him more even. Yabona? Yes, but recognize. Fans, they know what Themba has done. But because he's playing for Sundowns, when you see Sundowns, as you see Sundowns, they won Champions League. It's like in South Africa, is nothing. They're going to the final in the Champions League now.
Yeah.
In South Africa, nix. As if point la milelo, and if it was Chiefs and Pirates, now
would be a
going to the
different-
Champions League,
Yeah.
Nhlanhla can tell you advertisement. Let me talk about advertisement in South Africa. It was gonna be something else. Point la milelo. So ngibonga humbleness man kaThemba mfit. Ngiyamhlonipha uThemba for to be so humble. He has achieved a lot individual, the guy. Achieved with the team as well. Still remain humble. I mean, uyambona uThemba ukhadi usunokumsebenzisa as an impact player. Sometimes he's not even playing. But unokudlula amagame ayi-2-3 angadlali khamba amfake kusele 10 minutes. He shows up. He never show a funny face and stuff. Experienced player and very disciplined and dedicated ngespan sakhe. And Themba must keep it up. He has achieved, and experience is vital to Sundowns players. I'm sure labafana bomabhena they will grow if abafundanga abafundi kuThemba. And asikho esinye isikolo ngaphandle kwaThemba kuwona bokutlwana litlako bona bo labafana bomabhena. Especially about youngsters in South Africa nje as a whole. Mar labe Sundowns ba more cause ba closer to him. Really I compliment him. The boy started very well. It's a good season for him. And ngiyawisha nje ageleze la because we really still gonna be celebrated. Uneminyaka engakanani asazoyidlala really. And only plays 2 seasons, but look at the boy, what he has done for himself and Orlando Pirates as well. So I wish he can learn ebantwini abanjengabo Thembazana. So compliment to Sundowns to keep that guy. And now he's going to the second final, as you say. Manga winner. I'm faith that's a legacy for his kids, and nobody will ever forget that guy. And naye, I'm sure noma angasekho kuyonke le game, uzothi makabheke emuva, he will thank God in his ancestors.
Talking about the players that dominated, we said CBD was the dominant players. The dominant players now for you, Michael, Mawibega le 3 that is actually shaking things for Mamelodi Sundowns. Which are those 3 players?
Nhlanhla into engingayisho mina ngalama player Nhlanhla kwamanje the problem about Sundowns they buy quality man. Yeah, that's why spend imali engaka because nalo mjita lo we-striker abamlandile manje Nhlanhla lo wase-Colombia. You could see ukuthi naye azange afike adinga isikhathi sokuthi ngiyasetlila la eMzansi. Ufikile washayina shuthi into ebamlethele yona bekayazi. And then okay namanje ngiyabona but nomunye umuntu manje wona Nhlanhla owele waphakamisa kakhulu engimthandile ngaye kakhulu lo mfana uJayden because at one stage uJayden bengithi angeke aphinda adlale ku-Sundowns but manje le uyaphakamisa isandla ngakhona Nhlanhla uprovile ukuthi hayi nami manje that's why abo Allende they have to ukuthi nabo kumele ba-improve because yabona manje kubuyela u-Allende not it was Nuno and Adams before but manje uyabona u-Allende they were manje bebathanda ukuthi bamreste kancane but manje u-Allende ukwazile ukuthi umbuyisile Nhlanhla yabona uma une-quality man it's easy man ukuthi unga-rotate the way ufuna ngakhona man. Yeah, angeke ngisho ukuthi ku-Sundowns ubani uzothi like the whole team Nhlanhla if you check nje the whole team man.
For me, the difference is previous in 2016, we front three, that is so best. That's for me.
Sure.
Pesitao, Castro, Kama Billiard, and Nukigen Toli Sambala. Yabo, yes. But now, midfielders, different. With my midfielders, Debuchum Loy. That time when shape in the midfield. I mean to say, yeah, Debuchum Kwena, Tebza.
Yeah.
Tebza, Chedin Adams, Marcelo Allende. He played very well, Magangena. A very important player for Sundowns, and they know how to use him, especially Caruso know how to use the guy because he can score goals or assist. You understand? And their strong point currently compared to 2016, that's me. Debs are a very important player. Link between defense and attack, he can score goals. I'm a midfielder at Sundowns now, they score goals. And each and every game they dominate you there. Yeah, boy, front three are not much. They don't play with the right forward player. Currently, Sundowns. So Sale uza phakathi adlala right. You understand? And now they've got this Leo. They've got two top striker, which is Leo, and there's a Colombia and Reynolds. Not to say one Magahleli Pension is doing bad. They compete. You understand? And as Michael said, very important statement. They don't just sign players. They sign ready-made players. I mean, no Pasadena, I don't understand why. We talk about the quality player here. But if you can come in at any given time, it's going to do well because they don't just sign any ordinary player. Hence, we always emphasize our team and well done to Pirates to come to on board to sign about police. You understand? To bring Bonabunduli. Bambe football ends up proper scouting. Ba bring aborile, ba bring ebona. Well done to Orlando Pirates by doing that because if you're not going to compete with Sundowns in scouting, how they scout and sign players, you're not going to come nearer to them. So Sundowns, as Michael Ashilo, whoever that is playing there, and it doesn't matter. But one again, they know how to prepare players. They're able to prepare players. As Ash Michael to rotate. They know how to rotate players. The Scott Sabos have been rotating. Manok a second stream team but beat you. What are my expectations for club? I would never a second stream team. About Pegang results. They want to dominate you by play and also score goals. If you're not gonna do that, go understand on transfer market. Simple. I think the philosophy of Sundowns is that.
And looking at the 2016 coach as well as the 2026 coach, tactically, what is the difference and what is likely to repeat the success? Let's start with you, Michael. Upito was there 2016, and we've got Caruso now in 2026. What is likely to make Caruso repeat what Pito did in 2016?
Nhlanhla mina into engayisho manje uCaruso manje okay unayo i-pressure but asimfakeli i-pressure ukuthi uzowina like le game njengoPitso or kanjani, but one thing I know about Nhlanhla ucoach Pitso ungicoachile kancane mangibuya eFrance. I was loaned to iSuperSport wangicoacha kancane. That guy Nhlanhla akathathi masimba Nhlanhla. Yeah, yabona into makathi i-black ayikho i-charcoal kucoach Pitso. Le color nina nizothi hayi i-charcoal i-black kuye. There's one thing like into engile ngayibona ngaye in terms of ama-player wakhe akawasaba ama-player no matter ukuthi umanager how big players are, but into makathi uyayifuna ufuna yenzeke ngendlela yakhe. That's why into engimthandela nocoach Pitso ukuthi makathi uthatha i-decision Nhlanhla, he will stand by his decision. Ukuthi ubani uthini angeke usamchintshisa lapha Nhlanhla. Yeah.
So then, Caruso, what do you think traits or characteristics he has so that I win this final?
Mina Nhlanhla into engayisho ngoCaruso manje yena ukuthi nje mela stike kule nto bekayenza Nhlanhla during the season Nhlanhla. Siwubonisile ukuthi like unaso squad just manje mela azi ukuthi nje final is a different pool game Nhlanhla because any mistake nje walala wasala yabo. But Sundowns manje I think it's time manje, it's high time Sundowns would maybe dominate African football Nhlanhla.
They're on the way there.
Yeah, mina ngicela ukuqala ngoCaruso mfethu and then sigcina ngayo Pitso. Uwine changing room this guy. He came there. Makafika this guy, makafika lapho bonile this guy. He made a couple of changes. Yabo he played players abantu that ebe bangaba cabanga ukuthi uzobadlalisa. He put 2-3 best players were Sundowns on the bench. Not to say they were not good players. I think psychologically he wanted to win the dressing room. Azange abayenze babe comfortable. That guy was arrogant, knowing what he want to do. Yabo, kubuhlungu kuba arrogant ungazi uzwenzani. You understand? And he won the changing room. That's one thing that I can say as well. And Sundowns masingakhuluma nje iVAR. How they play now, the style of play, masikhuluma nje. Yes, I know they're keeping the ball. They went back, especially second round of the season. They went back a philosophy, build up ama-midfielder ejavela badlala ngama-department, let me put it that way. But now Sundowns, if you can be honest, so many positive forward passes. Sundowns, they don't mind yabona ball position. Yes, it's their strong point, but Karius Wanta, one thing that I've learned from him, I think he minimized that.
Yeah.
Ufikile ku-Sundowns, chance everything that we do, we need to score goals. And there's many forward passes that Pegani Waselo Alende, he was using the wrong way. Yabo Rulane babamsebenzisa imbona is best. Passing these negative, I would be angakwazi. Passing backwards and stuff. I love Rulani, one of the best young coach. But to tell figure this guy, women's watch any boxing, even Jaden Adam, they score goals, these midfielders. Yeah, they think forward. Yeah, but pull on my window. And well done to him by doing that to go to Sundowns, they change the mindset to go forward. Abo Sundowns they abasekho negative ukuthi sokudominate nge-ball position, and we have so many ball position, we don't care ukuthi ngicabanga nabantu, and then look, and then we get the goal for you sokutrain. Now Sundowns first whistle, I think the mindset has changed. We play first 5 minutes, you see Sundowns, they want to score goals. Ubonakala nange-ball like malisuka in the center, how they stand, and they want to go forward. Well done to him. And I think in the Caruso I figure wayilungisa uSundowns, won the changing room.
All right.
And they minimize this so-called ball position, Sundowns. And ama-midfield wakhe ufuna kore. Kuma ngala ma-attacking Jaden Adams and Allende.
Yeah.
And it's good for that. And Nhlanhla, uPitso Msimane, as uMichael asho, I remember uPitso nami kancane I know Pitso. Pitso kahle bekumele ngisayine uye mina, which is I remember he wanted to sign uye umuntu engaxoxa naye one-on-one kanje before joining the first team. A very straightforward coach. Ngikhumbula sambe naye France Toulon kwi-advisor yakhe uSteve Kompela nge-under 23. Is straightforward. If into akayifuna akayifuni. And it doesn't akusumuntu mawungabheka uPitso uthe makafika naye ku-Sundowns masingaba nje neVAR. Mangithi mina as a straightforward person. Bekadlala ngama-player wakhe Nhlanhla. And aboPitso, he was a coach and also managing his team. Ngikhuluma off the field. Mawungacheka most time ngikhuluma ngabantu abanjengabo-Trot Molot, whoever, they were not involved much. Uthe makafika lento zabo technical director and stuff there at Sundowns. Njengabo manje uCarlos has got a technical director, which is Fluminense. I mean to say Flambeck. I mean this Pitso guy, he never had a technical director. He was managing his team on and off the field. And it's different to Pitso because of decision signing and stuff. And I will say it was him because there was no technical director and stuff. They got reported straight to director. And now Carlos is reporting to the technical director. And yes, some guy he compliment, but there is a technical director. Definitely show in ND So Pitso was straight direct to the chairman, judging my results. And I'm going to manage my team on and off the field. I bring players here. And in brought players that did the job for himself. And then I think that Pitso, we need to be honest, a very fit team. And don't only be discipline. And Pitso, team can be discipline. I compliment the guy. I think it's different with them. Pitso was managing his team on and off the field. The other one is got the technical director. There's a lot that there's a technical team involved. Because when check on the first round of the season, now surprise is there. A team has changed suddenly how they play. Went back. Style of play setup. But some guy credit to Carlos because now Tate he brought his experience, and then we in a changing room. And well done to the coach for that. And I mean, to me, I made some kind of credit.
Okay. All right. Let's come back home a bit. The Betway Premiership took place this past weekend, and Orlando Pirates is back on top. They are there on top with 2 points away from Mamelodi Sundowns. However, Mamelodi Sundowns still has a game in hand. Michael, idlile mnyama. The score was 3-0 against the Amazulu. Quite not the score that I would have expected from Yamazulu, but Pirates once again dominating that game and actually winning the game at home. Escotini Skamamizal. What do you make of that game?
Nhlanhla into engicale ngizoyisho Nhlanhla mina into engizokutshela Nhlanhla this season Pirates is the best team kule season le. Mind you ukuthi kulokho kwenzakalani but the Pirates is the best team Nhlanhla.
What makes it best, Michael?
Oh like Nhlanhla mongacheka like the way badlala ngakhona Nhlanhla like they plays it like angazi ukuthi like baphelele labantu Nhlanhla. If you check akunorele there's a Mremi, there's a police like the way they play man Nhlanhla man ngibona improvile like to the team that was coached by Rivero.
But Michael, if you're the best team, right, you're supposed to be maybe 6, 7, 8, 9 points clear from your opponent, but they're not.
Yeah, leli qiniso Nhlanhla but lento ibuya na ukuvutha ngisho ubuya na experience Nhlanhla.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukhumbule but mongacheka Nhlanhla na kule season ubheka iPirates ama games whereby ukuthi badrop ama points akusiya ama games bekumele ngabe badrop ama points. That's where kuba ne different give between bona ni
The
Sundowns.
Sundowns, yeah.
It's because Sundowns is more like game management. They know how to manage the game. You
Okay.
understand?
Yeah.
So njengabo Pirates ubonile la sabathathile futhi njengala ma team manje sewahlakaniphile abonile. Awasayenze into ukuthatha la maklapa amakhulu wafaka i-stadium enkulu. Ahlakaniphile abonile manje. Mahlala la maklapa sibafaka kule stadium esincane sifuna ukubabona ukuthi bazokhupha kanjani but to be honest Nhlanhla kule season the Pirates ayidlala the best football Nhlanhla. Ngaphandle kokuthini they are playing the best football. So ukuthi nje they are competing now yazi Mamelodi Sundowns they've been doing this for the past 8 years. But from the Pirates
So basically the difference between Pirates and Sundowns is experience right now.
yeah ngisho kanjalo but in terms of playing Nhlanhla
Yeah.
Pirates is the best team Nhlanhla. Ngikutshele lento na first round like ngithi iPirates isazosha abantu bengizwa naselokishini abantu bathi hayi iPirates ithenga ama game mayiwina nje nge high score bathi ithenga ama games but Nhlanhla labantu mongacheka there was one game badlala nePolokwane City they had 29 shots
On target.
imagine Nhlanhla 29 igame eyi-1 Nhlanhla ikubonisa ukuthi how strong they are Nhlanhla even namaZulu now especially futhi moya lapha Escotini Amstel hey bakwata kakhulu yeah alright mozobadlalisa away ubafake kule ground lakhe elincane or elibhampi or linjani because lento njengoba ngisho kanjalo ngibone nePolokwane City nayo
Yeah.
ithatha iChiefs ifaka eOld Peter Mokaba and then nayo next kune new Peter Mokaba ngapha the bigger stadium so I think these teams nabo sebabonile ukuthi hayi lama club lamele siwafaka kule stadium engathi ezincane so khona ukuthi siwanyonyobele khona. Yeah.
All right. Junior, you said it before. You are continuing to say that Pirates is playing interesting football, right? However, they're not winning convincingly, number one. Number two, they're not looking like they're going to win the league. And that's what you keep on saying. Hapele hape. So, Dinzang.
One of the best team currently in South Africa.
So you concur with Michael?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
they play beautiful football. Let me put it, they play beautiful football.
All right.
But the best, you can't say they are the best.
Yeah,
Yeah, we've got the team that is going to play a Champions League for the second time, the final.
absolutely.
A team that is playing, that has never changed the style of play.
Uh-huh.
And I mean, they went away against Esperance.
Good Tunis, yeah.
In fact, is Esperance in a win, not even a point. You understand? And play the way they play, but for then a red card. Yeah, but they got a red card in that game. They got a red card even in the quarterfinal. So, Nhlanhla labo bantu labo. Ngiyezwa true. Nami, I will be honest. The Pirates, they play exciting football. I need to be honest. Mina compliment the scouting. So the Pirates are always say, but it's more of individual play team. They play individual like it's more really when he's on top and a police. Pirates will be on top. That's for me. I mean, they more. I think it's different between them and Sundowns. They rely in individual more than being a team. Yes, Banukla as a team. There are games over as a team complement, but there are games that rely on really.
So is it really Apolis and Moremi that they rely on?
Mreme not much, but yes, soon over a moment because the boy was wasteful. I think it was the last week game. Wasteful. I think the difference between him and Naborile, we talk about the natural talent Naborile banayo, especially really, and with a proper development. And Mreme is more technically good, natural talent.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean aganal talent, but it's more of natural talent. Unama game whereby ula umfuna khona you can't find him yabo njengale game le ground elincane le bayidraw ne Richards Bay bekufuneka ithinking lapha ngoba iground elincane from abo Mremi you can't see kula ubone proper development technically and a movement of the ball players who were so nature talented yabo balinekile talent balidevelopa properly and also gifted njengabo Rile bomfuna naye Mremi ukuthi ba reserve lo mfana ipressure bayibeke kuye cause ku Pirates once into ayenzile nayo Siema na Richards Bay thinking to Papi Siema nabo Rich nabo Papi Zothwane le Richard they monitor this boy really yabo kulama game lawa umbonile no police it didn't function properly sengikhuluma ngale game le lebe bayidlala Richards Bay never function police exactly yes uvelile ngama moment but they never because of this boy was monitored ngikhuluma ngo Relebogile Mofokeng you understand so those players are very dangerous at Orlando Pirates Relebogile Mofokeng and also police I'll give those are dangerous players once those players especially really on top ngoba police now yam compliment and then the Pirates ngekuyenza for all but once you monitor those players Pirates is especially akhona ama game ithi there's certain game want to monitor them it's done and now you're talking about the system team we talk about Sundowns that everybody's functioning they've got 2 center back which is Kipidu and Grant Gekana that I believe they are supposed to be in the World Cup.
Let's talk about the World Cup.
Angazi young bam players who can become
no ngiyakuzwa.
midfielders leaders
That
players
are
that you
good
can't leave as a national team coach they play the measure rule away against the Esperance you talk about wingers that they play wing back they play like wingers who decide game or Prendi Banta and those are important players to wing back with Sundowns talking about wing top both in the Mengu Lang World Cup league. Yabo, and then you've got Tepsam Kwena here.
Yeah. Umrembule.
You've got Jaden Adams. You've got Alende. How many players are saying Mabali? You've
Yeah.
got Ronan Williams. You've got this
Reynolds.
Nino, Leo. I mean to say Leo. And you've got Renas as well. And the list goes on.
Okay, all right. Kaizer Chiefs drop points this past weekend, and was that an expected score, or was it once again lento khuluma ngayo Michael ukuthi like mabafaka emaground namancane iJavi bara?
Yeah, mina ngathi like sekuyistyle lento le engiyibonile mina Nhlanhla but nenye into Nhlanhla ngile ngayisho nalenti Chiefs from isawina nama games ngathi iwarrior about the Kaizer Chiefs is gonna be one Nhlanhla. Once they start winning they gonna believe good they're on the right track.
Yeah.
You understand? So mina into engiyishilo kuyibo Nhlanhla iChiefs manje they must play I saw wish Sundowns can win the Champions League so that iChiefs nayo ingaya ku izokhona ukuthi nayo
Confederation. Yeah.
I saw wish logo nabo ukuthi mhlambe bangaqualify for Lontuze because Nhlanhla noma singakhuluma senze Nhlanhla iChiefs they needed to bring an experienced coach umuntu ongeke umuntu ozoza azobuilda leya team umuntu ongeke atshele Nhlanhla because if ungacheka manje ne lokuwina uzobalivazisa Nhlanhla bazobona ngathi yando red track but then bayenzeni barenew ama contracts on ama coaches but for mina manje bengithi lama coach our coach aqede they must bring in a coach manje ozobheka manje ukuthi ufuna bani for next season so that they can start preparing for the next season. For me this season Nhlanhla ngeke ngikhulume ngawo kakhulu amakhosi because the only thing that they must do Nhlanhla whether siyathanda they must go to the market.
Junior, in 30 seconds.
Yeah, in order like Michael said, I think they were tested against Polokwane City.
Sure.
Irrespective of the ground and land, they were tested. Both teams were playing there.
Yeah.
If you're a good side, you must be able to play in the bigger pitch on the good. So I think it's 8 Polokwane unknown players. Yeah, bona Fana Dlamini, Ebumabo, Ramabo. They honestly the chances to win this game. Tested. I mean, they can't play under pressure.
Yeah.
I didn't think it's shit, I mean. I think Chiefs players, Mangi Bega ngiti. Nhlanhla Chiefs, they won games, especially we're playing against this Kalmangabo Asbenevar. Devon City, that is recently changed the coach. NS left, and what his name, Peter Hazauban, yes, was released. They play against Obi, they play against Makesi, Asbenevar and Nhlanhla. Who they beat the Kaizer Chiefs in those games. Chiefs Galaxy banking is in Kulgakulu. We have one. They got 6 against Orlando Pirates. So they said live are with the Bibanga test. Now they played Polokwane City that they would. I think that was a real no manga be real test before the derby. Because the real test now they throw. I'm a supporter. waqala manje I'm sure they saw ngaleya draw ngoba leyo draw kunamaplayer angafunctionanga abona bomduvu aboduba
Yeah.
Liepo they never function abo Silver
Mm.
players that they praise honestly.
Yeah.
Chiefs need to get a technical director,
Okay.
not a
Not
football
sports or not
director.
a
Yeah,
technical
not a
director.
football director, technical director.
All right. Let's get into the predictions, Junior.
And a head coach of
It's
development
cut.
and the head coach of first team experience.
All right, cool. Sundowns is in action on Wednesday. Go win Abani, score, and then we'll get into the derby.
Hayi Sundowns izowina.
Angithi nje Pirates lapha arena abantu ababuyi. Epitori Left Stars abantu ababuyi. I see 2-0, 3-0, yes, 3-0, 2-0, yes.
Okay.
uKevin uzoyithola lapha Left Stars.
Kevin uzowina.
No, uyoyithola induku ngamanye
Oh, Bazomshaya three.
bazomshaya 2 or 3. 2-0, 3-0.
3-0. Okay, cool. And then the derby score. Michael, I need that score.
Anginazi isikoro mara iPirates izowina.
Not gonna be easy game.
Yona
Yeah.
ngeke ibe lula because
Yeah.
the only danger ngedabi nhlanhla ngeke ngisayibonile nami ne.
Mm.
The team leni ibona ngathi iyagegeza inokubuya kube but it's not gonna be easy yona then.
But it's still going to be Pirates that
Yeah,
wins.
iPirates mara ngizoyibona iwina.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. True mhlolo lapha kusigame easy nhlanhla. Angesikhuluma ngehistory and stuff. Especially based on the Chiefs qeda ukushawa iPirates qeda ukushaya iChiefs 3 manje. We talk
Yeah.
about last month 3-0. Now they will come on numbers. Ngibona ama defenders obamaningi uChiefs. Inkinga they will never stand for Orlando Pirates. Ngiyaxolisa like
And I badlalele Orlando
Angeke.
badlalele FNB. The score?
it's 2-0. Pirates they're going
Do you want
to.
to tell us who's going to score?
Hi, this time I'm not gonna say it, but 2-0 nhlanhla. Pirates
2-0.
izowina le game. Yeah, Pirates is stronger and just ngaphandle ukuthi ngize ngi-explain Pirates going to win 2-0.
Okay. All right. And unfortunately, that's all we had for you this week. We will be back unpacking the derby and everything that is going to be happening, as we are also going to try and build up towards the World Cup. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Remember, this episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #WSB. #Bet with the best. I am Nhlanhla Sitshele, together with the dynamic duo from Davidson. Thank you, Siabong.